Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll discuss about the some basics formula of Microsoft Excel. So the formula is given here: sum, AUTOSUM, average, count, counted, tree. Here one table is given where the 18 members, serial numbers is 18 and members are also 18. The total deposits of every person is 500. So at first I am applying the sum formula. I will show in two ways. I'm applying on the cell. So at first I have to put the equal sign, then write the sum, then first bracket given here watching the number 1, number 2. So I can take from this from here at first 1, again put the equal sign, sum, then first bracket number 1 comma number 2 comma number 3 comma number 4 comma number 5 comma, then bracket enter. As a 200 I will 2500 after 2500. In another way also at first apply the equal sign, then write the sum, then first bracket, then selecting up to 5 members deposit, then equal, then enter. Now see the same results. Also I can show in these numbers if you think that it will be the complex. Now see, first equal, then sum, then bracket, then selecting whole numbers, then another bracket, enter. Now see, total it will be 21. So another way, now see equal, same sum, bracket, first one, comma, second one, comma, third one, comma, fourth one, comma, fifth one, comma, and sixth one, comma, then bracket, enter. Now see the 21. So these are the sum formulas result, and I am removing this one. Now I will show the formula of AUTOSUMs. Now see here 18 members deposits. I am selecting whole and another cell also selecting. Then here watching the AUTOSUM, so apply the AUTOSUM, then see the 9000. Okay, or control Z for the previous one and selecting up to this and going to the formulas and selecting AUTOSUM here. Now see the total is 9000. In two ways you can I have showed. Now you are watching here also. See, then apply the AUTOSUM 21 or control Z and again going to the home and selecting the AUTOSUM. Now see, the 21 is total. So I have showed the sum and AUTOSUM formulas. Now I want to show the average function. So equal sign is here, and we are average here watching. Then press the tab from the keyboard. After that, selecting holes, then bracket, enter. Now see 3.5, or again equal sign is first here apply. Then I have VER. After that, press the tab from the keyboard. Then see, I want to show all numbers. Then bracket, enter. Now see 500. The average is 500. So average is done. Then count and counter. Here's the difference. I will show also. Now see equal, then count, count, then bracket. After that, selecting whole numbers, then bracket, enter. Now see 6 and apply the counter. Equal COUNTA bracket, selecting 6 numbers and enter. Again So what is the difference? Now see, we applied here 1 3 A, so A, H, L, 5, 8. Now I want to apply here the first count, COUNT count, then bracket, selecting all, then bracket, enter. Now see, I want to see this one is these lines, so it will be clear. Count, bracket, selecting these numbers, bracket, enter. Now see here watching the post, but how numbers is here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So again see, for applying the counter, COUNT counter, bracket, selecting this one, enter, counter. Sorry, this one is not counted. Again, COUNTA, counter, then okay. Then selecting this one, bracket, enter. Now see, this one is the showing the sevens. So what is the difference? The count is counted only the numerical numbers, but counted not only the numerical numbers, also alphabetical number is also count. So these are the difference, count and counter. So trim is used. I'm writing a now name, server alam, that alam Faisal. Here the gap is more, so I'm applying the trim equal, then trim bracket, then click the name and bracket, and now see, here the gap is very small and the one space is here, but here space is more. So trim is remove the more space. I think got it everybody. The 6 most important formula of a Microsoft Excel. In the second part, I will show also 6 basic formula.